Making yogurt at home is simple and only requires milk and a yogurt starter. Here's a step-by-step guide. You can use milk or whole milk for creamier yogurt, but 2% or skim also work. For your yogurt starter, use plain yogurt with live cultures or a store-bought yogurt starter. For the equipment, use a heavy-bottomed saucepan, thermometer, optional but helpful, whisk, clean jars or containers with lids, towel or incubator, cooler, oven, or instant pot. First up, heat the milk. Then pour the milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius. This helps denature proteins for a better texture. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Cool the milk. Remove the milk from heat and let it cool to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This is the optimal temperature for the yogurt cultures to grow. Now add the starter. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of the cooled milk with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or store-bought yogurt starter. Stir until smooth, then mix it back into the larger pot of milk. Incubate the yogurt. Pour the mixture into clean jars or a container and cover with a lid. Keep the yogurt at 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 12 hours. Here are a few incubation methods. Oven method. Turn on the light inside and wrap the jars in a towel. Cooler method. Fill with warm water around 110 degrees and place jars inside. Instant pot method. Use the yogurt setting. Dehydrator method. Set to 110 degrees. The longer it sits, the more tangy the yogurt will be. Chill and enjoy. Once set, refrigerate for at least 4 hours to thicken and develop flavor. Enjoy plain or add honey, fruit, or granola. Tips for success. Save some of your homemade yogurt to use as a starter for the next batch. If using store-bought yogurt as a starter, make sure it has live active cultures. For thicker yogurt, strain it through cheesecloth for a few hours to make Greek yogurt. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more recipes.